Back out here in the cold, dark. It is 13 degrees, partly cloudy. You can't see the partly cloudy, but it's 13 degrees. Trying to get this thing started so we can sell it. Just got the SHO. Hey, you might want to rev the truck up.
I can just put it on high idle.
Okay, just put it on high idle. Got the Power Stroke out here, actually being used for something.
Automatic off-road control, that's better.
Yeah, they can't hear you over the 7.3, so you gotta speak up.
Fine, they don't need to hear me, do they?
I don't think so, but it's just living the life of a Ford owner. You gotta have the keys to one rig and the other rig, and have them both. If anybody wants to buy this thing, you can't, but here it is. Do a good walk around for you. Got the 7.3.
I got it.
7.3. That guy. The SHO. Got those grip tires on there, ready to get out of the snow. See if we can get this thing started. It's not starting.
It's cold. I don't think we got any more carbon. I don't know if that got in there.
People like to go fast down here.
Oh, they do like
You might want to turn your four-ways on because you're in the middle of the road. Rev it up some more and I'll try and start it. Let's get rid of that annoying buzz there. Alright. Nothing. Yeah, doesn't want to start. So.
I'm gonna see if we got any more, but I don't think we do.
Okay.
I don't think it's got in there. See, that's all it does.
Okay. If all else fails, just light it on fire. Works every time. So if anybody wanted to know, SHOs don't like to start in the cold. So that's why you buy a Power Stroke. Or a Duramax like that one. Or you could even buy a Dodge. Whatever you want, Toyota. Anything works other than the SHO. Don't buy a SHO because it just won't start. With the V8, that's not good.
People say it works.
Yeah, we can blow this thing up.
Scotty says.
WD-40 works for everything.
That's what they say. They say it's better than ethers. It's flammable,
Guess we'll find out if the engine blows up. Never trust Scotty Kilmer, but you can always trust Fix 'em All TV. So if this doesn't work, we won't recommend it. It's not working.
We'll put some more in there.
Okay. Put some in while you're cranking.
How am I supposed to reach out?
Well, you can do that. That's why we have a cameraman, right?
Oh, a redneck rig, this one.
Okay, I'll start.
There.
You start.
Alright,
Okay.
I'll just start right.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't want to start.
It says I got fuel, but I might not get it down.
Yeah, that's probably why. Yeah, so this is always fun.
Pour
Always,
some in there.
I don't know. Do we have any? Is it gonna get to the front? Does the fuel pump work? We need to get it in the garage and get it warmed up, but
Yeah, that's good.
we'll see if that works. If not, I don't know what we're gonna do. Put some fuel in it now. See if that helps. It's just everyday adventures with Fix 'em All TV. This doesn't happen often though,
No.
so it's not really everyday adventures. But
I mean, this is what happens
today's
when
adventure.
When you let stuff sit all the time.
Yeah, don't let stuff sit. Like the King Ranch, remember we told everybody don't let those things sit because that's what happened. If anybody wants to buy the King Ranch, it's back up for sale. The guy who bought it doesn't want it anymore.
You want the memories?
He's only asking like, what, $1,200 more than we sold it for?
29.
Yeah.
29.
It's not worth that, so don't go buy it. I know nobody here wants to buy any of our
Alright,
stuff
ready?
anyways. Okay, let's try this
Back at it
again.
again.
Let's cycle the fuel pump a little bit. Alright. Well, stay tuned for the adventure, guys. Back out here working on the power
I
stroke.
think that's loose.
There we go. Finally got it.
6 years
We only
later,
broke two
broken
sockets. It's not a big deal. There's one of them.
And there's the other one.
See, cracked. Good old crack right there.
Whoever put this on,
Way over tightened it, so.
yeah.
And then we got another broken socket. Look at that one. Like, yeah, so 2 broken sockets later, finally got it.
We didn't sell the car yet.
Didn't sell the car yet. That's in the earlier part of this video, or somewhere in this video. You'll see that. We did get it started though. You guys didn't see we got it started.
Right.
We pulled it inside, charged the battery. It's running now. So if anybody wants to buy it, $650 could be yours tomorrow or whenever this video goes up.
If you want to watch how to do the brakes, I'll put a video out on my channel.
Okay. Samuel Parkinson.
Go
Check it
that
out. And then you can see this salty power stroke covered in New York rust and salt. Don't throw stuff.
Rusted.
Don't have to be so aggressive. All right, got new parts here. Okay, that's all we're gonna show you. So
That's it.
thanks for watching. Subscribe, like this video.
Yeah, like it. Come on, guys.
If this gets 5 likes, we'll start putting Tactic Sam back in. So, hey, 5 likes. I think that can be done. All right, big or small.
We'll fix them all.
See ya. Tactic Sam always sleeping. Like, wake up! I know what'll work.
What?
Oh, he's up.
Uh,
You're supposed to tell him about the show that you just got running.
yeah. Well, it sold it, so it's gone forever.
Can't buy it. Oh,
Nope, it's gone.
what's that? How much did you sell it for? 6.2
That's
million?
confidential.
Okay.
It's undercover.
And at the right before this, you'll see a new truck that I just picked up. So comment what you think that is, and that'll be in the next video. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.